Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Trello templates for workflow in minutes, beginner guide step by step clearly. To install Trello templates for workflow in minutes, start by logging into your Trello account. If you don't have an account, create one by following the on-screen instructions. Once logged in, navigate to the Trello homepage. Look for the templates option on the top menu bar and click on it. This will take you to the Trello templates page. Here, you can browse through various templates designed for different workflows. Use the search bar to find a specific template that suits your needs. When you find a template you like, click on it to view more details. On the template page, click the Use Template button. You will be prompted to select the board where you want to install the template. Select an existing board or create a new one. After making your selection, click on Create Board or Add to Board. The template will be imported to your specified board. Take a moment to review the structure and components of the imported template. Feel free to customize any lists, cards, or settings to better fit your workflow. Once you are satisfied with your adjustments, explore the various features of Trello. To collaborate, invite team members to the board by clicking the Invite button. Enter their email addresses and adjust permissions as needed. Now your Trello board is ready to streamline your workflow with the new template. You can start adding tasks, setting due dates, and reorganizing lists as per your requirements. Remember to regularly update your board to reflect any changes in your workflow. With these simple steps, you can enhance your productivity using Trello templates. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.